Now, let's try a simple light control project. In this program, you will learn how to turn a light on and off using code. When the program starts, the light turns on for 2 seconds, then turns off for 2 seconds. This action repeats again and again, making the light blink. You can change the time value to see different results. When the value is smaller, the light changes faster. The light changes faster. When it is larger, the light changes more slowly. Shorter time makes the light blink faster, and longer time makes it blink slower. Let's run the program and take a closer look at how the light works, one step at a time.